I'll make noises like that. I'll be like, soy juice. Positive thinking equals good reflection.
Is that an actual
Why
saying?
is life a question of theory? I
What?
think I'm very high. Are you recording now?
Yeah, it's been recording for a while. Okay, I paused it with it right there. Okay.
Now move it somewhere. Like put it like right up in your face, like where your eyes are, and then unpause it, then put it back. It'd be trippy.
Wait. Throw any cloud.
Dude, record more. That was awesome. I'll do some big fucking acid or something.
The fucking window. Check it out. Look at the picture. The window looks like a cat face or something. You see that?
It does.
It looks like a fucking cat face.
There's a cat face in the window.
In the window.
Squish.
Okay.